Are you after a nippy urban SUV that's tough enough to tackle country lanes? Meet the all-new Kona.
Designed in California, this compact SUV has contrasting styling features, a confident stance and striking good looks, giving it some real attitude. Plus, it comes in a great choice of vibrant colours, including acid yellow, tangerine comet and blue lagoon.
You'll find it in 4 different models. There's the efficient 1-litre petrol engine, perfect for everyday driving. Then there's the 1.6-litre petrol DCT in 4-wheel drive, which gives you a little bit more added fun. There's also a 1.6-litre diesel engine, or how about the all-new Kona Electric with a range of 300 miles, available exclusively through Click to Buy from the 2nd of August. But what about creature comforts?
As standard, you've got aircon, cruise control and automatic headlights, and you can upgrade to our premium model for climate control, keyless entry and a Krell premium audio system. Inside, the Kona is spacious, with its 361-litre boot and a low height, making it very easy to load.
But whatever you choose, it all comes wrapped up with Hyundai's 5-year unlimited mileage warranty.